Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to track your steps on your Android phone and you are wondering how to do so in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. So, if your device does not have a Pedometer app like that, what we can do is we can install it. So you can head over to Google Play Store if you're on Android and download this application called Google Feed, or sometimes depending upon your device. Sometimes, for example, if you're on Samsung device, you can download the application called Samsung Health and set it up. So once it is downloaded, you can open it up. And if you have not set your profile, you can just go ahead and set it up and enter your personal details such as email, gender, and weight. And what you need to do is just go over and enable the permissions. So for that, you do not need the application itself. You can go to your device's settings. So go to your settings and scroll down, go to the option for apps. And once you find apps, you just need to look out for Google Feed at the top. You can search for Google Feed. And once you find Google Feed application, tap on it. And then you just need to go to the permission section to ensure that the physical activity is now allowed. Tap on permissions. And from here, scroll down and you should be finding option of physical activity. Find it up and tap on it. And once you tap on it, all you gotta do is tap on this option called allow and allow the necessary permissions. Once you do so, the application should automatically start counting your steps. You can now view your activity right here by tapping on the number of steps right here, and it should show you a daily schedule available here, the goals and everything. You can view your hard points at the top of the application itself, and that is it. You can just go over and follow up this method, and you should be able to track your steps on your Android device very easily. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.